Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the essentials. Confirm your Airtel plan, balance, and whether a Tomorrow data offer appears in promotions. Open the Airtel Thanks app and log in with your number so you can act immediately. Once logged in, locate the Tomorrow data bundle details, name, validity, activation code, or a toggle button, and confirm it is available for your SIM. This step ensures you don't waste a voucher and prepares you to trigger the data provisioning right away. Now activate Tomorrow data using the method Airtel provides. If the app offers a toggle, tap it and choose Immediate or Scheduled Start. If a UST code is needed, dial it and follow prompts. Make sure you pick the correct start time and verify your phone's time zone so the data becomes usable when you expect. Once activation returns success, wait for the confirmation SMS. Then run a small 10 to 20 MB use test to confirm provisioning and IP allocation before relying on it. Finish by optimizing for reliable use. Make sure your APN is set to Airtel and once activated, toggle airplane mode to refresh the network. Monitor remaining Tomorrow data in the app and set an alert at a threshold so you don't run out unexpectedly. If provisioning fails, gather the activation ID, timestamp, and any error SMS, then contact Airtel support. This speeds resolution and may trigger manual allocation. Remember, documenting the exact steps you took.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.